Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install Microsoft Office. Right now here you have to just go and select for Office customization tool, just search for Google and here you will get this first option. Go and click on here and now you will have to select this product and release. So just go and select say 64-bit and Office suite. Here you have to select Office LTSE Professional Plus 2021. But guys, make sure it is volume license, right? So once you select that, you can select here any of the option. In my case, I will leave empty here and automatically whichever you have selected here, it will get updated. Now here, these are the different Microsoft products. So you can just click on whichever product you want. For example, I don't want Access or Excel. I can just turn this off, right? So I just want it here. And once everything is done, just go and click on next. Select the language. So here I will just select my English and select additional language. If you use more than one language, you can always do that. Now again, just go and click on next. Here you will get this option of installation option. Now here you can just select any of the option here. So it's completely up to you because this is just not as important. Just let it be a by default section. Now this is important, that is licensing product key. So make sure it is selected KMS, right? And just leave it is whatever it is and just go and click on next. Also don't write here anything if you just want to same thing here. Once everything is done here, I will just go to the bottom and just go and click on finish. Right now we are on the right section, so all the changes we have done, it's ready here. Now here you have to click on export. You can click anywhere here. Now you have to select this middle option, Office Open XML format. Right now just go and click on OK. Now here you have to just read this confirmation. You can just go and click on change the file name if you want. I will let it be as it is. Now just go and click on export. Now here you will get it in download section. Now it will just get open in this format. Now you have to just come back. Now just go to Google and here you have to search for Office deployment tool. Just hit the enter. Now just go and click on download Office deployment tool. Now here you have to select language and click on download. It will start downloading. The setup is download. Open it up, right? And just go and click on next. Here you have to click on continue. Now once you download and install this, automatically you will get this Microsoft Office and you can use it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.